Want to build faster, smoother, and smarter Flutter apps in 2025? Here are 5 powerful Flutter packages that will take your apps to next level. The first off with Riverpod. Riverpod is the robust state management solution designed for the scalability and the simplicity, ideal for managing the complex app states while keeping your code clean and the maintainable. The pro tip is Rift was to easily listen to the state changes in widgets. Next one is Phrased, a powerful code generator for creating the immutable classes and the union types in Flutter. Reduces the boilerplate code and the simplifies the data model. The pro tip is combine phrase and JSON serializable for effortless JSON parsing. Third, GoRouter. GoRouter simplifies complex navigation in Flutter using the declarative routing. Great for the managing dynamic URL, deep linking, and the web support. The pro tip is use GoRouter for a seamless navigation 2.0 experience. Fourth, Lottie. Perfect for adding stunning animation in your Flutter app with minimal effort. Easily integrates JSON animations, creating the Adobe After Effects. Pro tip: use the Lottie animation for onboarding screens or the app loaders. Finally, Drift, a reactive, powerful SQLite ORM for Flutter, offers the seamless database management and auto-updating queries and migrations. The pro tip is combine Drift with Riverpod for the efficient data phasing and state management. These are 5 packages can drastically improve your Flutter app development in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and follow for the more Flutter tips.